Hello! Here with me I have a beauty product that I will be sharing my experience about. This is an eyeshadow palette, basically for your eyes, makeup for your eyes. The brand is Too Faced and Kat Von D. This was actually a collab and it was limited edition. Right here on the side you can see it states that Too Faced x Kat Von D, Too Faced x Kat Von D. So you guys can see. So a little bit about the design. As you guys notice, this is magnetic and it creates a heart here. You can either keep it together or just take one if you just want to use one. Now the front, it has very floral covering. It is both different styles in a way, like the pink and just more of an edgy look. Too Faced is more of, the products are more like pink and definitely like bashful and stuff, and Kat Von D is a little bit more edgy, even a little bit more like goth type of thing. Both animal cruelty free brands. And this was a limited edition. These two brands, I guess, just had a collab, and it was very like well spoken of. And here is the back design. It says better together, same with the floral pattern, black, pink. It does come with like a little message for like the people who bought it and stuff. There you go. Even says the expiration date, when it was made, different like infos on the bottoms or little signatures. Kat Von D is basically the creator and owner of the line, and right here is Jared, which is the creator of the line Too Faced. Here you go. Now open it up. I do keep up with both of these brands, and that's how I found out about them, because they're actually both my favorite like brands for makeup, especially high-end makeup. Just very good and loyal to their audience, you can say. Here you go. I'll be doing each separate. Now we're gonna start off with the Too Faced one. Like I said, it's more bashful and stuff. Here you go. Now right here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different type of shades. This one is BFF. It's more of a creamy, almost a little bit like beige type of look color. This is Lovely. It's just like a baby pink. This is For Inspiration, and it's a very gold color. And this one's Power Couple, and it's basically a brown with like hints of like gold sparkles. And this is Heart of Gold. The other one was a little bit more bronze, and this one's more like straightforward gold. Heart of Gold it's called. And this is Better Together, and it's just another brown shade with a little bit of less, well, not really brown, I want to say also like purplish. It's in between brown and purple. It's a very nice color. It's a very deep color. Right here there's note. It's very cute on the side as well. Another signature, and that's how it looks. This is very gold, and it's shaped up hearts. And this is what the sides look like. If I didn't show, it's just hearts in between their names. How about the other one? This is another note, very cute, different type of style like the other one. This is all black. Those blurs are actually from when I use it. Now we also have 6 shades in here. This one's Yours, type of gray bluish. This is Devotion, a black. Swoon, which is a very red metallic in a way, and Darling, more of a metallic but just straight up gray. And this is Porvita, and it's a white one. And this is Love Struck, and it's another gold style we have. Now both of these, for those maybe don't really know how to use eyeshadow. Eyeshadow is basically just a way to create a look on top of your eyelid, and they're both very easy to use because they're such good products, meaning that they're very pigmented, the formula of the actual makeup, and the way like the colors are, it's just very good color like schemes and stuff like that. So it's very easy to use whether you're like a professional makeup artist or not. It's not like crazy colors. Like, it has some really nice different colors, but it's not super crazy colors where it's super complicated. Of course, we all have different experiences. Now I use lots of different types of brushes. I can share some of the way I use it. The way I use it, for example, is I might grab this like grayish bluish and use this fluffy brush right here and just put it on, like, not on my base lid but on top, and kind of like blend it in for like a outer look, and maybe on the lid I want to go darker. So I will use, like, for example, this black right here, and you can see I had done that. And you want to use like a flat brush so it definitely doesn't like go, because you don't want it to be the light, you know, outer, you want it to be the base. So you definitely want to use something more flat that will keep it on there, help you blend a little bit, because you can definitely tap it with this so it's fluffy and flat at the same time. Now those are some of the ways I use it. Like I said, super easy to use just because they're very nice colors. They're, like I said, and another reason why they're so easy to use, they're super pigmented. And I just feel with like these you can do very glam looks because of like the sparkles and the different colors that it has, you know, darks and lights. You can definitely go for an awesome glam look. But if you want something simple and you're still doing your eyeshadow, definitely super easy to use, because you can literally just add this like nice pink and it would make your eye look so nice. This is such a nice pink, like you can literally see it covering up my, wherever I touched it, covered up the whole finger. It's just so nice. You guys can see right there. Such a nice pink, literally right there. You can see it doesn't like see through my skin or anything like that. The sparkly ones are so good too, like I said. Sorry, I should have used a different finger. There you go. See, it doesn't go through my skin. Wherever I touch it, it literally stays. And when you blend it, they blend so good. I can do a little bit on this side. The white, like, look, that is such like a pigmented white. Super easy to use, super easy to blend. There's very nice colors overall. I've been using this product for over a year and definitely recommend it. You know, it can also be I feel like it can be gifted definitely still. And yeah, I definitely hope you guys enjoy this and hope this helps you get to know more about this item. And like I said, I take this with me a lot because it's just such a good palette to take with you everywhere. You don't have to take other kinds. Well, hope you guys enjoy that. Thank you.